Alex here, and a question I've been asked is, what other tools within the floor plan layout can I use to divide up my space or split up my floor plan before or during when I bring in my units? And there's a couple tools you can use. One of them is Schema's space division tool. So if I just select the space division icon and then draw my path of division, I can easily divide up the spaces however I want to. And I can divide them as much as I want. So now I have 3 divided spaces within my floor, and now I can begin to classify these spaces. So I could call this space offices, I could call this space retail, and I could call this space amenity. And what I can even do with this space division tool is generate space within it. So if I wanted to have circulation dividing up these spaces, this is just one of the many ways I can go about splitting up a floor or dividing and allocating space within my layout.